Hello everybody, in today's video I'm going to show you how to change the margin mode on Delta Exchange. Margin mode determines how your trading funds are used as collateral when you open the leveraged positions on the Delta Exchange. The platform offers different margin modes such as isolated margin, cross margin and the portfolio margin, each with a different way of managing risk and collateral. Changing the margin mode allows traders to adjust how their funds are allocated. First, open to your Delta Exchange app on your device and make sure to log into your account using your registered email and password for your face authentication. And after that, on the bottom right, we can find out this portfolio. Go to this portfolio, and under this portfolio you need to go to this balance. Over here in the top right corner we can find this small arrowed icon. Click over there, and over here we can find this change margin mode. Simply tap on this change margin mode here, and over here you can either select your portfolio or the cross margin. And the cross margin is your entire account balance can support the position. The portfolio margin is calculated based on the overall portfolio risk, so you can select your preferred margin mode and tap on the switch to portfolio margin, and that is it. The system will update your account with a selected margin mode. And thank you for watching this video. I hope I could help you. If you have any queries or confusion, please comment down and we will reach out to you very soon.